how to access Google Chat on your Android device. So if you want to access your Google Chat option, then you may have Google Chat application on your device itself. So if you have your Google Chat, you need to simply open up your Google Chat by searching on your applications. So if you don't have your Google Chat on your application, then simply go for the Play Store. And once you're here on the Play Store, you need to search for Google Chat. Once you've searched for the Google Chat option, here you will have your Google Chat application. So if you have not installed the application, simply tap on install and you need to install the application. Once you've installed the application, you need to simply go for open, which will be on the right side. And once you open, you can create your account or you can simply log in with your existing Google account. So wait for the application to install. Once you've installed the application, tap on open, which will be on the right side, and then open up the Google Chat application. Tap on allow, and once you tap on allow, if you have logged into your Google account, then it will automatically log you in to your Google Chat. So that's it. That's how you can get access to your Google Chat on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.